Okay, what's up, guys? So you can see this is my laptop screen. Okay, so let me just go to my Binance account. You can see that's my name here, Shapiro7, and let me just show you my Binance account right real quick. Okay, guys, boom. As you can see on the screen here, this is the amount of money that I have in my Binance account. You can see I have a money of 0.15 Bitcoin. Okay, now when you go to Google and search for 0.1 Bitcoin, let me just scroll down. You can see, let me just scroll down. Let me show you something real quick. Okay, so when you scroll down, you can see that 0.15 BTC amounting to over 3000 USDT. Okay, so watch the video to the end. I'm going to show you how I make all this money at the end of this video. Let's go. Okay, what's up, guys? So guys, I pressed it here once again. And guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to be able to get free Bitcoin. Okay, how to be able to mine free Bitcoin. Okay, so just watch the video to the end. I'm going to show you about 4 platforms in this video that's going to make you a lot of Bitcoin that you just seen in my wallet there. But before I go to the reason why we are here, I would like to do a small introduction for those of you who are watching my video for the first time. Okay, so when you're here for the first time, my name is Shapiro Acid. I'm a content creator. I create content about how to make money online. I go to the market and find out what is working in the market. I come here to my subscribers, telling them that okay, this is how people do and make a lot of money online. So when you're somebody up there who like to, or who love to make money online, then I recommend my videos here up to you. Okay, I also do videos about how to make money online, how to get free cryptos, and how to get free things online, as you can see on the channel here. And if you also have a friend who also love doing the same process, just share my video to all your friends who also love to make money online. And guys, what you watching the video right now, you that is watching this video right now, I want you to do something for me. Okay, I want you to destroy the like button for me, as you can see on the screen right now. How I'm doing it, just like this video and you think that you have found a value in this video. Also comment below, let me know your biggest failure. In case you don't have anything to tell me, you don't have anything to comment below, just comment below that okay, this is a great video. What that will do, that will motivate me that okay, what I'm doing, people really love it, and I'll keep on doing more video about how to make money online. Okay, so just let me know your biggest problem, or just appreciate me on this video that I'm bringing up here. And also, before I'll forget to, I'm doing a giveaway. Okay, there is giveaway in the process, so I'm going to show you how you'll be able to be the winner of this giveaway. What you do to enter this giveaway. So that the video you're watching right now, I want you to go to the description box of this video, go down to this video, and you can see where I have website. Okay, so you click on the website that to take you to my site, and I'm going to show you what you do to enter the giveaway. Now guys, when you are here, this is my website that I also drop tips about how to make money online, what I'm doing to get a lot of money online. So when you're here, all that you need to do is just to scroll down. Okay, just to scroll down real quick. So guys, you can see where we have followers. Okay, when you're here for the first time, they will say follow, so click on that follow button and agree that you are following me. And guys, if I reach 500 followers for here, I'm going to do another video about the giveaway announcement and the winners of the giveaway announcement. Okay, and also if you are following me, just send me a message telling me that you are also part of the giveaway. Okay, and guys, before that, also what, follow me on Instagram, where I also post tips about how to make money online, and the same in Shapiro 671 on Instagram, as you can see here on the screen right now. They also post tips about how to make money online. And those of you who like using Facebook, I'm also on Facebook. I have my Facebook page here, which the name still remain Shapiro Acid, as you can see on the screen here. So follow me on Facebook also. This is my Facebook page. I also drop tips about how to make money online, what I'm doing to make a lot of money online, as you can see on the screen here. So come here and follow me on my Facebook page, and also there will be a link in the description box below that will take you to my Telegram group, as you can see on the screen here. I drop tips about how to make money online. Guys, don't worry, keep your message coming. I'm going to reply to all the messages. Okay, so this is my group here that I drop tips about how to make money online, and I also drop what you need to know. Okay, for that matter, let's go to the reason why you're here. Okay guys, this is the name of the first app that you see here. This is the first app that we're going to use in the video, and this app is called ethprofitmanager.com. And guys, I recommend this app or this site for you all. Okay guys, this site is very legit. Okay, but guys, before I forget to, I'm not a financial advisor, so I encourage all of you to do a vivid investigation about this app before you put your money inside here. Okay, although we are not going to put money, it's very free. So guys, when you're here for the first time, you can see that a number of active followers that are on the site, and the number of deposits that people have made, but we are not here to make any deposits. We are not going to make any deposits here. Now when I scroll down to, you'll be able to see the number of cash out that people are really cashing out from this app. Okay, and guys, you can also make this amount of money, you can also cash out this amount of money. It's very easy. So I encourage all of you to watch this video to grab this app very now. Okay, grab this app right now. You can see you have affiliate program here right now. You can even work with them with the affiliate program. And also when I scroll down, you have a lot of things that you have to read on them, and you can see you have what plan pricing here also, and you have the free plan which is 0, and we are going to use the free plan. Okay, I'm not going to advise you to put in money here, but in case you have extra money to pay, guys, just do a background research about this site and you can put your money there and go. Okay, but in this video we're going to show you everything, how you can get all this thing for free. I'm not going to make any payment from this app. When I scroll down, you can see the last winners. They have been doing promotion on their stats, and these are the last winners of these promotions. When I scroll down, you can see that a lot of people are winning the prizes here. A lot of people are winning the prizes, and that's what 2 Ethereum. Okay, that's 2 Ethereum. And guys, when I go to Google right now, and I type in 2 Ethereum, let me just do real quick. Let me just show you something that people are really making a lot of money here. So 2 Ethereum into USDT. Okay, just let me make it into USDT, which is into dollar. Okay, when you scroll down, I can say it's about what $2,000. So guys, I encourage all of you to grab into this app right now and so make a lot of money here. As you can see on the screen here, that this app is really paying. So guys, the only thing you need here is what, just go and copy your address of your Ethereum address, paste it here and click on start mining, and guys, boom, you're good to go. That's how you make it. And so guys, I recommend this app to everybody up there who is looking for a way to make a free Bitcoin. And guys, the next app I have here is what we call the easybtcmining.com or mana.com. okay, this is the next app that we have here. And guys, this app too is very legit. Okay, as you can see on the screen here, that when you're here for the first time, you're just going to click on what, start mining, and start mining. So this is how it works. You need to register, you need to set up, and you need to launch, and boom guys, the result, that which is the amount of money you're going to make. So it's very easy for someone out there to make a lot of money from this very app. Okay, so guys, also I recommend this site to everybody up there who's looking for a way to get free BTC. Okay, you can start making your free BTC with this app here. So when I scroll down, as I'm scrolling down, now there's a lot of money here you can also make here. Okay, let me scroll down, let me show you something. This amount of money you're going to make per day. Okay, that's when you take it as a business, and per week, per month, and per year, the amount of money that you are going to make from here. And guys, you're not going to make that money just for free. Okay, unless you put on more works. Okay, and they said, you guys, I want all of you to put on more work to get this free Bitcoin. As you can see on the screen here, that guys, this Bitcoin, everything I'm showing you here on this app is very free. Okay, there's no way you're going to put any money inside this app for you to start mining your app. So if you're here for the first time, all that you need to do is click on start mining and you're good to go. And guys, the next app that I have for you here is what we call multiplus.com. as you can see on the screen here. Okay guys, this third app is very good, or is this third website is very good, that you can also use it to make a lot of Bitcoin. As I showed you on the screen, the amount of Bitcoin that I have in my wallet, just combining these 4 apps and mining every day with it. Okay guys, as you can see on the screen here, that this site is having an app, and you can see there are a lot of reviews coming on it. So if you want to mine with this app, guys, you can come and read more reviews about this app, which when it comply with what you are looking for, guys, you are good to go. But when it doesn't comply, I don't encourage all of you to come here. Okay, so make sure that you do a background research about this app. I have done it and I see that it is good, that's why I'm recommending it to you. But what I like is not what everybody will like. Okay, that's when I always say that you should also do it yourself. Okay, so mine is to bring the app. When I bring the app on, when I bring the sites, you have to do more investigation on it before you put your money with them. But I recommend this site, so you can get the app on the Play Store, and also if you are using the iPhones, you can also get it on the Apple Store, and it's very easy to do it. And guys, the last app that I have for you here is what we called cryptest.com. okay guys, and this is the last platform or site that I'm going to show you in today's video. And guys, this apps are going to make you, or this site are going to make you enough money when you combine the 4 of them and you are using. But this particular one works for only people who are having laptops. Okay, it's work for only people who are having laptops, and you can see the amount of money you can make per month. Okay guys, the only thing is that you have to install it on your laptop, then you allow it to work on the background. Okay, so the only thing that you need to do is just to install it on your machine and just allow it to work at the background, and you're going to make enough money, as you can see on the screen here. And guys, this app work depending on the type of machine you are using. Okay, and you can see gaming PC, the amount of money you can make in a month, and even you having it depends on the type of machine you are having. Okay, depending on the type of machine you are having. And guys, this site is very good. And guys, this site have many payouts. Okay, and now remember we are dealing with Bitcoin. So guys, after you have made enough money here, okay, normally they pay with money, but you can decide to get Bitcoin. Okay, you can decide to get Bitcoin in a few moments. I'm just scrolling down to show you the payment method. And guys, before I forget, you can see the maximum withdrawal from this app is what, $0.5, and you can see when I also scroll down, you can see that what available for withdrawal, and they have what what we call the MasterCard. You have the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Amazon. You have the Visa card, and as you can see on the screen, so we are here for the Bitcoin. The only thing you need to do here is what, download the app, create an account with them, keep it running, and get paid. So it's very easy as that. Okay, the only thing is what, just install it. So those of you who are using laptop or are watching me live on laptop here right now, just take this opportunity to download this app on your laptop right now. Just allow it to be running on the background, and guys, you're going to make a lot of money from here. And guys, so that is all I have for you in this video. When you think that you have found value in this video that I have done right now, you really love this video I have done right now, guys, go ahead and give me a like on this video, and also comment below, let me know the mistake that I have done in the video, so that in my next video I would like to improve upon myself, because I love to improve upon myself a lot. Okay guys, and if you also have somebody up there who's looking for a way to make money online, share my videos to all your friends up there. Guys, you can also copy the link of my video, share it on your status for me. Okay, share it on your status for me, and also don't forget to go and follow me on my site, so that you also enter the giveaway. That's all I have for you. See you in my next video. I'm out.